Now students, we are going to solve questions of exercise number 12.1, and the first question is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle whose sides are, all the sides are A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, then what will be the area of the signal board? So students, we have given a triangle. Here it is written school ahead, and it is in the shape of equilateral triangle, and whose sides is A. All the sides are same. Suppose ABC. Now here we have given all the three sides, but height is not given. So here we will apply Heron's formula, and in Heron's formula what we will need? We will have S, that is semi perimeter, sides A, B, C. All the sides we know, all the sides are equal, that is A, but we have to find the semi perimeter. So semi perimeter of triangle is equal to S is equal to A plus A upon 2, that is 3A upon 2. Clear? Okay. Now we have S, so we can find area of triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Now put the value of S, that is 3A upon 2. Here 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A, and 3A upon 2 minus A. Why we wrote minus A? Because all the sides are A. So B is equal to also A, C is equal to also A. Now 3A upon 2 as it was into 3A minus 2A upon 2, again 3A minus 2A upon 2 by taking LCM, 3A minus 2A upon 2. Now in the next step, what is 3A upon 2 into 3A minus 2A, that is A upon 2 into A upon 2 into A upon 2. Now here we have to find the square root. Here A upon 2 comes 4 times, so we will take 2 times A upon 2 into A upon 2 and root 3 we will write. So A square upon 2 root 3 square units is the area of the given triangle. Now we have given the perimeter is 180 centimeter. So since perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter, it is given. Now perimeter is A plus A plus A, that is 3A. So 3A is equal to 180 centimeter, or A is equal to 180 upon 3 is equal to 60 centimeter. Now area is equal to, now we put the value of A in the area formula, then area is equal to A square, that is 60 into 60 upon 2 root 3 is equal to 2 3 is 6, 30, 1800 root 3 square centimeter. Clear students? So pause the video to be noted down. We will proceed to the next question.